Welcome. In front of me is a GARMIN Fenix E, and today I'll go over unboxing along with just a brief look at the watch itself. So anyway, popping it straight open, slide that off, and at the bottom we do have pull tab. So I'm gonna yoink that off. Comes off nice and easy. So there we go. So here we can see the watch. Get rid of that. Peel a little sticker off. And try to boot it up. Now I never know which button actually turns it on, so I'm gonna figure it out quickly. Ah, there we go. Now inside we also have instruction and the charging cable. Now this is still using the Garmin's garbage plug, the one that basically plugs from the bottom right here, and it needs to be clipped in by force instead of using something like, well, better design, like a little charging pack that either uses pogo pins to charge it or even wirelessly charges it. This is still using the same old trash charging. Anyway, here we can see a pretty decent size display. Now I actually don't know anything about the specifications right here, so let me quickly pull that up. See what we'll get. Okay, so we have the Fenix E, and it comes in actually 3 different sizes by the looks of it. So we have the 43mm, 47 and 51mm. Oh no, never mind. As one. 47 is the only option. If you choose any other one, it actually switches to like either the Fenix 8, AMOLED or solar. So anyway, taking a look at the specifications, we're looking at an AMOLED display, a 10 atmosphere water rating, and where's the more info about the display? I am scrolling through Garmin's website right now, but all I see is just shitload of check marks, which that's like great, but where are the info about like the display, build quality and all that stuff? So materials, we're looking at Cornell Gorilla Glass, silicone wristband right here, and stainless steel frame. And I presume that refers to this right here, the plastic. This is a mixture of a polymer mixed with fiber and metal. Now I am translating this as I go, as this website for some reason is in Polish for me. So yeah. And I still didn't find the display. There we go, found it. So the resolution right here for this display is a 416 by 416 pixels. It is also running Garmin's proprietary software, so it's not using Wear OS. Therefore you won't have access to any kind of like applications. It also comes with a built-in memory of 16 gigabytes, so you could technically load up some songs on here if you wanted to, and have them just play locally from this, I would presume. Though keep in mind, again, you're just limited to whatever Garmin preloads on the watch, as you don't have a Play Store here. So yeah, that's about it. So anyway, with that look at the device, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.